Hey all, I'm Pokemon Mike and welcome back to another random pack a day. Today's Pokemon is Dewott. Or Dewott. I don't know how you actually pronounce it now. So, an Evolving Skies by the look of that. Green, yep. Evolving Skies. It's a little tricky on the finger. Green code. Let's see Psychic. And it's a dark. So missed out on guessing the energy on that one. Oh, it's one Psychic. Hop up. So nothing in that one, as I expected. So, it's where are we? A few more Evolving Skies left. So, thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another random pack. Another random video pack, or whatever you want to be saying. So, see you tomorrow.